Hey guys, welcome to Earning Cafe. In this video, I will show you how you can earn some extra income using Google Maps. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, you have to open Google and here just search for Google Maps. Now go to the website of Google Maps. So here in the Google Maps, the first step is to select your niche. Okay, so you have to select your niche first. For example, you can select a restaurant, a hotel, a gas station, or anything you want. Here for the demonstration purpose, I will just select snooker clubs in Rawalpindi. So here you can see that I have found different results for snooker clubs in Rawalpindi. So our main work starts from here. You have to select the clubs which are in the bottom of the search results. For example, here you can see that although the rating of the snooker club is good, but it's not in the top of the search results. So you just have to click here. So the first step is done, and the second step is you just have to find the contact details of this club. So here it is, the person has given his contact number. So our second step is also done. Now let's talk about the third step. You just have to open a new tab and here just search for fiverr.com and here just search for Google Maps. Now I'm sure that you are getting my idea. We are actually selling these services from Fiverr to the club owner. So from here you have to select an account. And I will go to the pricing section of this account. Here you can see that it's starting from PKR 981 and 9 orders are in queue and the rating is also good. So I will just select this account and I will go to the premium service of this account and I will check all the details in the premium services. So here you can see that I will get all these benefits. So in the next step, you just have to go to this contact details and here you have to contact the owner and tell him that, dear sir, your club is not doing good in search results. So if you want to attract some more traffic, then I am willing to provide my services. And if he agrees on that, then you can just place your order on Fiverr and you can get services from here by getting some commission, and in this way you can just earn some extra income. You are not doing any task here, you are just connecting a seller from Fiverr to the different business owners. This was $1 million idea and believe me, many persons are earning much more money through this technique. If you want to watch more videos like this in future, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.